Everybody, and welcome to our YouTube channel.
We are, as always, your hosts, Arne and Carlos, and today we decided to drive up to the high mountains to look for some snow, because Easter is really late this year. There's hardly any snow where we live.
So we had to go higher up in the mountains to get some good skiing, what do you call that? Like...
Yeah, some...
skiing snow.
Yeah, so...
Snow to ski on.
Exactly. So we're up in the mountains. We're going to be enjoying the rest of the weekend up here. It is really lovely. You can see the blue sky and the sun. So we just wanted to wish you all a happy Easter or a happy holiday if you are not celebrating Easter. And we look forward to seeing you again next Sunday with new episodes. Remember, we post weekly on Sundays at 6 p.m. Central European Summertime. Which is 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. I have to say it that way now because we are in summertime. So, see you again next week and enjoy yourselves. Bye!
God påske!